How to get $150 Dyson promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Dyson promo code and search by it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Dyson. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, coupon follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. $174 off, $50 off, $100 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. So here is the code, copy it, then click on redeem at Dyson. You'll be directed to the official website of Dyson. Now you can log into your account, browse through the items and select the items that you want to purchase. Proceed to checkout, and in the checkout page you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount in your order. Likewise, make sure to try out other offers as well, because in this page you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Just scroll and check. Make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Dyson. Well, this way you can easily get up to $150 Dyson promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.